Hello there, welcome back to another vlog. Before we get into it, just know that this video was filmed back in October. Do with that what you will. I will be filming My Bloody Valentine, and that will be coming shortly. And the video that I filmed with this. Anyway, enjoy. Is this thing on? I'm back. I don't remember how I set this up. Welcome back to the vlog. I haven't uploaded my last one yet because I kind of gave up because things happened and I was not having it. And I was getting really angry for no reason. So I was like, forget that, I'm not vlogging anymore. And I still have one video that I just have not uploaded, so that will be up soon. But anyway, before the season ends, I figured I'd crank out 2 more vlogs, maybe just 1, maybe none, who knows if this will go anywhere. I figured today I would show you a little bit of how I do my makeup. So, ooh! Ignore my sniffling. It's been a rough season so far. And by so far, I mean like we have 2 weekends left. Okay, first step, you're gonna wanna get your hair out of your face. Oh, yeah. I've run out of face wash. And I don't want to use anything that's gonna exfoliate my skin. So I'm just gonna leave it for today. And I will put on moisturizer. Don't put moisturizer on your face like I do, like so aggressively like that. Obviously don't. Next step, what I like to use is this e.l.f. concealer that I'm pretty sure I've had for like 1.5 years now, maybe 2 years, and it's still going. I'm gonna put this all over my face. The goal is to be as pale as possible. That's right. I like to think that Dr. Charlotte, she is dressed in Victorian clothing and loves to give out lobotomies, which really doesn't make sense because lobotomies weren't really invented until like the 1930s. It's not just Dr. Charlotte. I like to think the vessel was probably named that, but the accent and whoever has taken over, which is it the man? Is it some demon? Who knows? I'll figure it out one day. But I like to think that she's over 130 something years old, even though the vessel that she is was born in 1938, I believe. That's just like the body that we see. A common side effect of lobotomies in this universe is tasting numbers. And the number 5 will always taste like strawberries. Not blue. It does not taste like blue. Despite what people tell you. 5 does not taste like blue. 5 tastes like strawberries. 2 tastes like blue. Now that our face is pale, I gotta get a little bit of my neck. Usually I like to do like all right here, but because it's cold and wearing a turtleneck, so I'll put a little bit right here. Actually, now that I have this base on, I might as well go ahead and put in my left eye contact. This is not how to put in eye contacts. This is not a tutorial. Do not take my advice on anything. Go to someone professional for that. Don't copy what I do. I have to put a little bit of powder on my face because if I don't, my makeup will disappear. Now that the base is done, what I like to do next is I take this guy and I take this guy. He's a brown. Ben Nye Pressed Eyeshadow Espresso. And I take it here on the end, and I kind of just look at myself, and I go really, really high, way higher than my actual cheekbone. And I go. And that's my contour. That's the base of it, at least. And then I kind of darken it. I know it looks crazy right here, but when I'm scaring, it's like spooky. And I kind of do a little bit down here. I go way higher up than I need to. I'm gonna do that on this side. Sometimes they are uneven. It's okay though. So I saw this video, a reviewer came through, and I had no contour on my chin, and you could like see I was going like this. There's like nothing there. The lighting was so bad. So now I'm making a point to like heavily contour my chin. And then I take it and I also, with no rhyme or reason, just what is this line? Who knows? The last thing I do with this brush before I go in with black is I take this and I go here and I make it darker, like kind of like darker towards the closer to my face than it is, and then I blend that outwards. So that's pretty much most of my base before I put the black over it, but now I have to do my nose and then my eyebrows. So before I get into all of that, I take this guy right here into the brown again. And so usually I do my eyebrows first, but today I'm kind of feeling wacky. So sometimes I'll do this and I'll do it in the little contours right here. But today I'm just gonna, actually I'll do a little bit. And I will do it on the base and then flick up to blend. I'll do that again, this way. And that's that. Now I look a little angry. They're uneven, but it's fine. My bangs will cover it and I have black to put over it anyway. It's very high. And then now I'm gonna do my nose, which I usually don't do with brown first, but now that I'm here, I may as well. So I'm starting just like a little triangle, and then I will take from there. Oh, here, I'll do it over here. Oh, the lighting's horrible. Basically, take it and just, the goal is to look kind of skeleton-y. And my nose has this little crooked thing right here, so I just kind of go into that. And you can't really tell because the lighting's bad, but there you go, like that. And I do that on the other side, and then I go over in black. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go all over it with black. most of my base with black. You can't really tell, but did a little bit. So I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows and then start on my eyes. I don't know if I'm gonna do blood tonight, or I may just do what I did yesterday and do like the red on my mouth and the red on the side of the eye, and then some like cracks. Well, not cracks, but like the demon or whatever possessing me coming through my eye or whatever. I have done a couple lights that like are different. Sometimes I lean more towards skeleton looking, and then sometimes I lean more towards like spooky dead looking or zombie looking, possessed looking. But usually this is the base that I've come back to every single time that I've worked, like been working there for years. I will like just come back to this. Like this I've been doing for a while. Sometimes I would do these. It's just evolving. It's been evolving since I started working there. Like the little vein thingies that I do with the black eyeliner, I've always done those. So sometimes I bring them back, like I might do tonight. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows and come back. Take this guy and my brown. And I didn't glue my eyebrows because I don't know where my glue went. But because I don't glue them, what I'm gonna do is take this and drag it upward. So it's much higher, as you can see right here, than this eyebrow. While I'm here, let me do it on both sides before I forget. But I have them pointing upward. Kind of look like Freddy Fazbear. High heels look like triangle brows. But anyway, I'm gonna take this. It's facing this way. And I'm gonna go like that, kind of, if that makes sense. Take it and go. Like we have a little flick, and I'm gonna connect that. Now usually they look a lot smoother. Like that. Like that. And now I'm angry. They are not even, but my bangs cover them most of the time anyway, so. Now tonight, I think I'm gonna do some lines like that. So let me, just to look a bit angrier, and I will blend that when I do my eyeshadow, because I'm looking werewolfy right now. But now, it's time to do my eyeballs. I'm just gonna straight up go in the top with this shadow, this brush that still has black on it or brown on it, and put some black on it, and then just kind of like hollow out my eyes, if that makes sense. I like that. All I did was just hollow out right here and right here. Then bring it down. I left this because it does that. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it does. I'm gonna bring it down here too. Yeah. Do the same thing on this side. There she is. Now, to finish off the eyes, what I like to do sometimes, I will take this palette, of which was a gift. I did not go out of my way to buy this. And I will take some various colors. Like today, I'm gonna take this guy and maybe this guy. Stick them underneath. So now that I've done a little bit of color that you can't see, obviously, And you can very much see my forehead wrinkle. I need to fix that. I'm going to do my nosebleed and then wipe that and then put a little bit of red right here. And what I like to do for my nosebleed is I will take this color and this color, rub them together, and just... It's very, very, very easy to do a fake nosebleed. Like, it's... That's it. That's all you need. A red and a brown. Sometimes I have to pass over it twice. What I think is really funny about this palette is that I'm pretty sure this and this are the same colors. I mean, I haven't swatched them. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of that. A little bit of the top one too. I don't know what this is. I just do it because it's scary looking. Maybe I was eating something. Maybe I needed to use my mouth to get a body part out of something. Maybe I'm secretly a vampire. Maybe it's a bruise. Maybe I was, like I said, wiping my nosebleed. Oh, that's kind of cool. And I just, sometimes I have a rhyme and a reason, sometimes I don't. I like to think of characters like that in a sense of, maybe this did happen, maybe it didn't happen, maybe it happened in this universe, maybe it happened on this night, maybe, who knows? Like, there are endless possibilities for why my makeup looks the way it does on certain nights. Now I'm gonna take my eyeliner, do a little bit of line on my eyelids, and I'm gonna take it and do little veins on my mouth and on my eye, where I have the little dude. It's like, I'm like, oh, maybe it's a bruise. But then I put the veins on it, I'm like, no, this is possession showing itself in a physical form, taking over a body. I literally didn't even do a wing. Aren't we proud of myself? Yummy. And I'm gonna do little veinies. Right here, right here. I might do a little bit of purple on my lips to make them look. So there's the veins. No, they're not cracks. No, not at all. Yeah. And there she is. She's done. Maybe somehow I can get a creative video out of this. A fun little video. Let me go get my setting spray. I literally use spray hair gel. This is not gonna go anywhere. Trust me. Okay, so I'm done. Oh, it smells so good. And that is Dr. Charlotte's makeup. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna split it up into 2 parts. The rest of it is gonna be a vlog from tonight. Maybe the rest of the weekend. Look for that, that'll be up soon. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna upload my other vlog before this, so if you haven't seen it, go watch that. And then there's one from earlier in the year. 2 from earlier in the year, actually. So go see those. Anyway, thanks for watching. Ugh. Bye.